Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. We're diving deep into the timeless wisdom of some of the world's most impactful books, all to help transform your thinking and, ultimately, your life. Today we're exploring a profound yet often overlooked masterpiece, How to Own Your Own Mind by Napoleon Hill. Imagine having the power to direct your thoughts in such a way that they consistently lead you toward success and fulfillment. Sounds intriguing, right? That's exactly what Hill promises to teach us in this book. It's not just about thinking positively. It's about strategically organizing and controlling your thoughts so you can achieve your dreams. Stick with me until the end of this audio, because you won't just uncover the philosophical ideas Hill lays out, but you'll also discover actionable strategies that can unlock your personal and professional excellence. Whether you're new to Hill's teachings or a seasoned follower, this summary could be a game changer for how you approach your goals. Let's start by addressing a common frustration. Phrases like, "your mind can control any situation," or "think positively." While these carry logic, don't they sometimes irritate you? How positive can you really think? How can you truly harness your mind to overcome difficulties? If you're being honest with yourself, you'll recognize that your mind can sometimes be your biggest adversary. We all try to achieve our desires, but too often we fall short. Many aspire to improve their mindset, but it remains elusive, leading to a cycle of fear and failure. But don't worry, this summary will guide you through a mind transformation. You'll learn how to take thoughtful action, train your mind to seize opportunities, and discover your true purpose and the path to achieving it. Let's talk about creative vision, a term that doesn't come up in everyday conversations. Many might associate it with the arts or literature, but for philanthropist and industrialist Andrew Carnegie, creative vision is something everyone should master. So what does it mean? It's the ability to recognize opportunities and take action on them. And one of the key elements of creative vision is imagination. Carnegie explains that imagination comes in two forms, synthetic and creative. Synthetic imagination involves rearranging old ideas to form new ones. Nothing is truly new, but ideas can be recombined in unique ways. A great example is Thomas Edison, who took existing principles, electricity and the light bulb, and combined them in innovative ways to create the incandescent lamp. He thought outside the box, experimenting with charcoal instead of metal, which led to the longer-lasting bulbs we know today. Then, there's creative imagination, where someone creates entirely new ideas. Artists and writers, for example, often don't know where their brilliant ideas come from, they just appear. Edison himself admitted that his innovative idea for the light bulb came to him as an inspiration, not something he had planned. That's the power of creative imagination. When developing your creative vision, you need to cultivate both forms of imagination. And here are 5 principles to help you do that. Definiteness of purpose. Be clear about your goals and purpose in life. The mastermind principle. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals to brainstorm ideas. Going the extra mile. Put in more effort than expected. Let your passion fuel your imagination. Applied faith. Believe that your ideas can become a reality, trusting in the power of your faith. Organized individual endeavor. Take consistent, focused action toward your goals. Organized thinking is another crucial principle. But how do you organize your thoughts? Napoleon Hill emphasizes the importance of reasoning, both inductive and deductive reasoning. Inductive reasoning means making conclusions based on unknown facts. For example, when the sky is overcast, you carry an umbrella. Deductive reasoning, on the other hand, involves conclusions based on known facts. For instance, you can deduce that a bachelor is unmarried. But what about opinions? Hill warns against relying on opinions, as they're often biased and based on incomplete information. We need to organize our thoughts by avoiding unverified opinions. Trust in facts, analyze them thoroughly, and challenge what others may say. Controlled habits are essential in cultivating organized thinking. Think of your mind as a camera. If you don't focus, it captures everything. Trivial information, distractions, and useless data. But if you develop controlled habits, you can focus on what truly matters. Start by defining your purpose, whether it's health, wealth, or success. Controlled habits take effort, and it's important to use willpower to follow through. Let's talk about mental repetition. An affirmation is one powerful form of repetition. Think about Emile Q, a psychologist who believed in the power of thought habits. His mantra, "Day by day, in every way, I am getting better and better," may sound simple, but it carries tremendous power when repeated daily. Let me share a story. Penelope had always dreamed of opening her own bakery. It was a long journey, but she was clear about her purpose. Every day, she worked on one task towards her goal. She showed physical repetition by taking consistent action and mental repetition through her daily affirmations. Whenever she felt discouraged, her affirmations motivated her to keep going. We cannot underestimate the law of attraction. The energy you send out is the energy you get back. By thinking positively, you attract positive outcomes. The same goes for negative energy. Your thoughts shape your reality. Now let's dive into controlled attention, which Napoleon Hill refers to as mental dynamite. This is one of the most important principles for success. To achieve controlled attention, Hill outlines 5 factors. Definiteness of purpose. Know exactly what you want. Self-discipline. Control your emotions and stay focused. Controlled attention. Spend all your energy on your goal. Autosuggestion. Use your mind to explore endless possibilities. Willpower. Persistence is key, no matter how difficult the situation seems. Imagine someone like Harold, who needs money to pay his rent. Instead of stressing out and doing nothing, Harold uses these 5 principles to find ways to earn money. He focuses on his purpose, avoids distractions, uses autosuggestion to find opportunities, and pushes through with willpower. Thomas Edison, the great inventor, followed these principles religiously. He knew exactly what he wanted and remained focused on his goal, despite countless failures. His success was driven by controlled attention, autosuggestion, and a relentless belief in his purpose. Finally, we learn from Andrew Carnegie, who mastered controlled attention in his business ventures. By focusing all his mental energy on steel, he was able to dominate his field. Even in diverse industries, controlled attention works. Whether you specialize in one area or manage various departments, focus is the key to success. In conclusion, we've explored how to develop creative vision through imagination and purpose, how to organize your thoughts and thinking, and the importance of controlled habits, attention, and willpower. When you focus your mind, you can achieve anything. So, what's your purpose in life? Once you find it, your mind, body, and soul will work together to make it happen. Trust in yourself. You absolutely can do it. That brings us to the end of our journey through Napoleon Hill's How to Own Your Own Mind. I hope you found today's insights transformative. These principles aren't just theories. They're tools that, if applied consistently, can change how you perceive and interact with the world, propelling you towards true success. If this summary sparked your interest, I highly recommend getting a copy of the book. There's so much more depth inside that can help you refine these principles and apply them to your life. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed the content and share it with someone who could benefit from these powerful ideas. Your support inspires me to continue uncovering the wisdom hidden in the pages of the world's greatest books. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest uploads. We're on a mission here at Audiobook 101 to bring you knowledge that not only informs but transforms. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this book and how you plan to implement what you've learned. Drop a comment below and let's keep the conversation going. Thank you for listening, and remember, the power to change your mind is the power to change your life. Until next time, keep reading, keep growing, and most importantly, keep owning your own mind.